What's up?
What's up? Okay.
Okay, welcome guys. We're back. It's
Welcome
your
back.
boys
Yes,
from
sir.
the Minor Inconvenience Podcast.
Yes.
Our second ever na episode kasi yung first was when we were still Comunidad ba?
Podcast.
Formerly known as Comunidad Podcast.
Yes. And we're here, and this is our first episode as
As the Minor
Inconvenience
Inconvenience.
Podcast.
Minor inconvenience.
Yes. So as you can see, we have our guest here. We have Mac San Jose. What up, Mac?
Hello! Ako pa lang si Mac.
Yes.
So Mac, kindly introduce yourself.
Ako pa lang si Mac. I'm a singer-songwriter from Partido. Nag-start ako as open micer sa Casa. The first ever open mic event last October 2022, I think.
Yes.
Tapos, maka-line up ko sana doon si Sir Marl.
Eh ba? Yung ba dapat
Oh,
ko naman?
tapos si Melay.
Shout out to Casa.
Yes.
Ay, ano pala, si Melay lang.
Si Melay.
Si Carmela
Melay.
Dizon.
Yes.
So, ayun na to. Pag duman ko, mayuman sinda. Ako tig para patugtog duman sa Longer pa ako kadto. Tapos, then, come December, the first padabaka, nagtugtog din ako as open mic. Tapos, yun na to, nabistado ko na si duman nag-start si Mukna Collective sa sa day na to. The first ever padabaka.
Anong year yung nag-start yung
December 2022.
Grabe.
2022
It's
pa pala.
been
Yeah.
almost
3
3
years.
years na.
3 years
Mukna.
na.
Mag to
Time
3
flies.
years.
Time
And
flies talaga.
Si Mac, siya sa mga OG members kang Mukna, right?
Iyo. Kasama si Sir Marlon.
Oo. kami
And
ang
si
mga,
Sir Marl.
kami ang mga nainot sa Mukna Collective.
Mga pioneers.
Yes. If you think about it, 3 years din pa lang talaga, di ba? Time flies talaga. When you're having fun and then, you
Iyo.
don't actually
Kapa.
realize it's been that long. So yan, ini si Mac, singer-songwriter. So, yan, welcome sa Samuyang Podcast. I hope we're not causing you any
Inconvenience.
minor inconvenience.
Konting abala lang naman.
Kung meron man, I hope it's just minor.
Yeah. Okay man lang may abala as long as it's minor. di ba?
Tama.
Yes.
So here in Minor Inconvenience, anyone is welcome to
Yes.
join us.
Yes.
Anyone who has grievances about sa inconveniences sa buhay nila,
Yes.
very welcome here. And also mga artists,
Mhm.
any kind of artist, you want you want to showcase your songs, okay lang po.
Mhm.
Talk about yourself, very welcome po.
Yeah, you
Pwede
just,
ba martial artist?
Oo, pwede martial arts.
Pwede.
Okay.
Even
Any
martial
kind of
arts.
arts. Martial arts.
Even professional wrestling.
Ay, pwede.
We should do
Baka
an
naman.
episode about
Shout out
wrestling,
sa
di ba?
mga wrestling fans ng
Yes.
partido.
We should actually get together.
Paano
Diba?
mag-watch? Ay, actually baga nag-watch party kita kung
Oh, we had a watch party ng WrestleMania around April
When
20
was that?
19 and 20.
20 and 21, di
Ah,
gisa
20 and 21
21
pala in the Philippines.
Actually, kami lang din yung pumunta.
So sad.
So sad. Maybe
Pero
next,
happy naman.
siguro sa backlash.
Siguro comment na lang kamo kung gusto niyo mag-gibo kitang watch party or
Yeah,
ganyan.
just
can
reach
set
out
that
to
up.
us if you want to organize a watch party or if you want to be a guest here in our podcast. You may just reach out to us. Welcome naman lahat.
As ka lang, ma-comfy ka dyan.
Oh,
Sira mo ng higdaan sa minor.
shoutout
inconvenience.
pala sa kay Sir TF. This is his room. We're
So
actually
this is
still-
my place.
Yes.
Makeshift studio.
Kapa.
Sobrang aesthetic, no? You can see. Sobrang cozy. So everything is good. So yeah.
So, may mga questions pala kami for Mac.
Mhm.
We have
Shoot.
set up a few questions. So, the first one is, so Mac, can you tell us a little about where your music journey started?
So yan, sa bago, sabi ko, nag-start ko as an open micer sa Casa. Actually, dati ako, tuturo-tugtog lang itong
Di
panaginip.
ba way back pa, nag-ano ka na ng ano mo, ng mga songs mo?
SoundCloud, right? Nag-SoundCloud
sa
ka.
Banlab,
Bandlab, okay.
mga ano na siya, yun mga tig-release ko sa sa Spotify, mga halima lang yan sa Banlab. Parang ni-remake ko lang. Nag-ano ko ning album, which is You. An 8-track album. Tapos, collaboration din ako with Mukna Collective, which is yung konti na lang.
8 tracks. Takula.
Full-length album.
Ayun nga
That's a
ni.
full-length album.
Itong konti na lang. So, itong sa Mukna Collective, magiging compilation album, mga acoustics. Yan si Sir Marl, si Erica May, si Carmela Dizon, si Ched,
Valencia.
tapos si Eya, tapos si TJ. So kung may time ka mo, check it out lang yun. Tapos ayan. Yun mo lang yan, nakaproduce na ako ning self-produce.
Yeah.
Salamat sa
DIY.
Salamat sa community recording. Nakapag-produce ako ng
Shout out
Self-produced
again
album.
to community
And
recording.
Yes.
Even now.
This podcast is possible
now.
because of the help of community recording. Shout out kay Sir
Salamat.
Iboy. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Mac, additional question lang din duman. Since when ka nag-start mag-write ng song, like itong officially, kung na-realize mo na, okay, I can actually write a song.
Ako nga dati pa high school pa ako dati.
Mhm.
Aram mo tong nagigibo ka what if this song is in Tagalog? Ginibuhat ko
okay.
si Alisan, itong apology baga.
May nag-give ka yan, di ba?
Oo.
Si Pure Heart, at Pure Mind, Quiet Heart ba?
Di ko
Itong
araw.
local rapper siya sa Manila. Tapos ginibuhan yung mga Tagalog yung mga kanta na tong 7 years kang
Ay,
serious.
yo.
Di ko siya kaya.
Di ko yun aram. Ngayon ka
So,
lang
yan.
naraman.
So,
Pero yan.
Since high school ka pa nagsa-start mag-writing song.
Oo.
Ayos
More on
ah.
Tagalog
Mhm.
song na haliman lang sa parody kumbaga.
And may recorded versions ka na kanina yung mga nasulat
Mayo.
mo.
Itong na yan.
Sayang.
Sayang
Itong
eh.
ngunyan lang nasa Banlab lang ako. Itong Banlab nang ginagamit ko. Yun na to.
So kang high school ka, di ka pa nagsusurat ka na pero you're not really aware kung paano pa mag-record.
Oo.
Recently lang kita nakanood mag-record, di ba?
Iyo talaga.
Para rest kami nila, Mac. Pero recent lang din man kayo nag
DIY recording for life.
Yes, DIY lang. So yan. So since high school, I'm sure dakol na. Sa bagay, medyo kadakol na nga because, naka full length album na nga si Mac. That means kadakol na siyang nasurat na kanta.
Iyo may mga may mga sarunod pa.
Yan.
Nice. So, sa next question naman, Mac, is, who were some of your early inspirations?
Yun.
Siguro kung high school ako talaga, tigitingilan ko kato dati si Ate Anya. Kung bisa din doon siya si vocalista kang Pentacle.
Si
So
Anya.
mga OG Bicolano artist kadto. Tas bali-bali ako ego siyang kanta. Metal pa.
Mhm.
Garo big deal to kang kang high school eh.
Oo.
Metalhead ako kadto. Garo ang music ko talaga to is mga Puros Kurao, Maribo, Karke.
Pero nag-Devil Wears Prada
How-
ka dati, di ba?
how-
Devil Wears
ano?
Prada.
How contrast to, Mac nowadays, no?
Oo. Kasi
Yeah.
kami
Very
from
chill na
metal,
si
di ba?
Mac, eh.
Kumbaga,
Sabagay, same din naman for Sir Mar.
ang introduction mga heavier music. Tapos when you start making your own stuff, duman ka na sa medyo mellow.
Nawara si Devil DB.
Nawala si Devil Live. Si Anya is di ba, Pentacle. Yan si banda niya.
Pentacle.
And I'm not yet aware of the scene sa Naga kan time na yan. Pero kumbaga they were making waves outside Naga.
Oo.
Kasi garo pero it was a big deal because it was a metal band during that time and gabusin na babae.
Iyo, all
Kaya
girl.
talagang,
Nice.
garo, people were actually surprised na they can actually pull this off. Pinsan niya pala si Anya. Yan.
Ayan.
Shoutout kay Anya. Yan. So yan ang inspiration mo. Basically sila Anya.
Iyo, tapos lang, siguro itong pagiribanan mi kang pinsan mi,
Mhm.
gusto mi man magbanda,
Mhm.
tapos ngunya ng gurang nako. Syempre si Mukna Collective, day man ako masurat, day man ako ma-release ning kung day sinda nag-release. Syempre pa nag-release si Saro Dumaning kanta, kumabali ako. Bure, masurat na ako kung masurat ako. Tapos yun na to si garo inspiration. Kasi inspired si mga kaibanan mo. Dapat ma-inspire ka man. Yan.
So, day man inigaro peer pressure. Because some
Somewhat.
friends mo,
Would you consider it na peer
Somewhat,
pressure?
pero daiman, garo, maugmahon lang ba kayo na dakol kang nasusurat tapos
Aha.
garo na-appreciate kang fellow musician, fellow Mokna members sa Argayan.
Damin si, ay shit, nag-release si Mavi. Kaya pod ko naman mag-release.
Iyo, garo ka to.
Anyway, so yan, about, sige, regarding that, like, how about like, influences mo, international artists, local artists, like,
How about that?
like, isa, syempre, when you're starting to make music, garo, igwa kang kinukuanan kining, like, influences, because, you're still finding your voice as a
Ay.
musician, pero isa itong mga artist na garo, tig-look up mo na, okay, aro ka na yung gusto kong sound.
Ang pinaka ko talagang si Unique baga. Kasi, unique talagang niya.
Unique sa Longga.
Oo, si Unique Salonga. Tapos, para sabi sa kuya, ning ko dang Orange and Lemon, sa Argayan.
It's true. Yan ang kimak eh.
Kang init mo nga daw siya
Oo.
music.
Gara may masabi sa kuya, uy, cover mo daw Heaven Knows, sa Argayan.
Paborito ko yan.
Tapos,
Orange and Lemons.
Arctic Monkeys, paborito ko siyang band. Tapos, gusto ko din garo, somewhat, Arctic Monkeys na, na,
Actually,
Ano?
may signature ka. I mean, among the artists na igo sa digdi sa scene pa nagkakanta ka, ikaw lang itong may style na medyo shaky ang voice mo. Bako tong shaky
Ay,
na garo kabado, talagang style siya.
Kinda like,
Sabi-
Joji, siguro.
Siguro
siguro.
somewhere in
Si
Sabi
Joji
na-
may pagka din eh.
Oo.
vibrato
Shaky
da,
yung...
Argayan.
yes.
Anong
Vibrato da.
Yan.
And sobrang chill lang, 'di ba? Ni Mac magkanta. Garo talagang suabe, basically, like suabe lang siya. Garo yun man ang niya, yan ang kumbaga siya man ang may araw kaya na style kasi if magdalan ka ni mga gigs.
Yung
man ang atake ni
yun ang
Mac.
na-admire ko being around you guys, kasi may mga certain styles kami eh.
Mhm.
Kakasurundo ka mo, pero despite all that, the differences, when it comes to the being creative, you always support each other.
Despite having these differences. Kasi pangit man kung pares ang style.
Ayo.
Di ba? Garo, how can
Argawan
you
ka
tell-
mo ning
How can you tell one artist from another if we all sound the same?
Very distinct.
Yes.
Parehas
each
nga ka mo,
ano.
Sir Marlo. Argayan.
Bakit parehas
Parehas
yan?
ka mga anesthesia.
Pero yan, garo magayon din siya because diverse, and despite it being diverse, somehow you can actually build a community dawa iba-iba. And bako lang kaming mga musicians din, di ba? Mga ka ni podcasters na din kami ngun.
Iyo.
Garo somehow you start from something eh. Garo pag may nag-ignite talaga kang fire, dagos-dago siya. Kaya-
Parang kailan lang, no? Just last month.
Mhm.
So,
Tara,
just
podcast
last
kita.
month. Out of the blue, nag-start kami nung first episode, kaya medyo, hindi pa masyadong organized.
Yeah.
Even until now pa naman.
We're still trying our best na maging din, like itong maging smooth pero
We're trying to be coherent, guys.
Yeah, it's hard if kamo din ang nag-host and at the same time kamo
Kamo
din
si
nasa
nag-
back end.
Oo.
Yes.
So it's really
Everything is na set up. Lahat po kami nagtutulong-tulong.
Yes. We don't actually have a person that does all those things for us before we actually start recording. So medyo please be patient with us because we're still trying
We're
to figure
actually
this out.
the minor inconvenience sa kada isa.
Tama.
Kaya nga din ang pangarap because nagkukos kami ng
Oo.
inconvenience to each
Kasi kami
other. Ay, nako.
Pahingi po ng konting abala.
Anyway, Mac, let's move on to the next question.
Yes.
So, was there a moment you realized you wanted to seriously pursue music? Like, nag-abot ba sa punto na garo, okay, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life?
Iyo, si Simon garong abo kayan. Itong, nga po kayan?
Kunwari Mac, being, di ba education ka din? Basically, parehas man lang palang kita. Being
mga
education,
educators.
being educators, did it come to the point na, ay, i-set aside ko muna itong pagiging kong set aside ko muna teaching. I'm going to pursue this as a career. Ang music.
Okay. Ano, as of now siguro na may pa man may pang opportunity as maging teacher. Syempre, inuton ko music habang may pa man akong daw nga ni katong graduating ako, antig pa para isip ko kadto. Buray, gusto ko mag-gig, pero gatol ako magtugtog, tapos mag-record.
Tapos na yung demo eh.
As kang
Anong problema?
Tapos kang demo, go! Dire-diretso si tugtog ko kato ay.
You had time para mag-record,
Iyo.
surat.
Yung malang yan, balance lang siguro na Garo, igong mga tao na gusto itong ako day ko man siya itong like, pero
You're not giving up teaching pa naman.
pero if given a chance na na like itong matugtog sa mga haraying lugar, sisiman habo ka yan. Garo pero as of now dumang ka lang sa kung anong igwa ka. Hindi ko aram ko na answer ko si
Sa
question.
bagay.
Kumbaga
Making the most of
kumbaga di man talaga totally off the table ata ang pag-teach kay Mac. It's just that if may chance magtugtog or may
Ayun.
chance na i-prioritize ata si pag-music, gigibuhin
Kasi
niya.
sayang naman eh.
Yaw na si skill.
Yan din ang that's what's make you happy.
Mm.
Syempre.
Yeah, you know what they say, di ba? Like, sometimes, you need a day job to actually finance your passion.
Ako lang
Ayun.
if ever, if this makes money ang podcast,
Yun na
I
lang
would quit everything.
I'll be podcasting every
Same.
day.
Matugtog na lang ko
But this is the real world, di ba?
Okay,
Like kita, especially kita, we're not actually we're not actually born with silver spoon up our asses. So sometimes, even though we're passionate about this one, we actually need day jobs to actually finance this kind of
Yes.
stuff. So I think everyone can relate man sa aruga na sitwasyon, di ba?
alas gabos man garo na musician, may yan. May
Because imagine if we have all the money and the capacity to do this, most probably Oroaldo ang episode ba?
Totoo.
We would have our own editors. Syempre.
Yes, we can hire
Ba't
people.
pa tayo magpapakahirap?
But yan, that's
major inconvenience.
will be causing major inconvenience. Ay nako.
Major inconvenience but with major opportunities for others. Pero that's not off the list.
Yes.
Pangarap din namin yan.
Mm.
Since starting, 'di ba?
Yes.
That's the goal. Dapat naman talaga makaset ka ng goals sa ganyan.
Mhm. I mean, for the meantime, parang this is just our passion project. Like what TF has been mentioning since the last time we recorded our podcast. This is a passion project. So, hope you bear with us because, there are some still minor inconveniences along the way.
And siya pala at wala dito si our co-podcaster na si
Yan.
Kenneth.
May minor
Siya,
inconvenience.
wala yung isang inconvenience. Shout out kay Kenneth.
Yes, shout out kay Kenneth. Meron siyang minor inconvenience ngayon.
Oo.
Minor inconvenience.
He'll be joining us soon.
Yes, maybe on the next episodes.
For now, kami muna ni Sir Mark.
Yes. We're here with Mac.
So, na-answer na rin.
Yes, I think he already answered that na. That question.
ang naman, the next question, Mac, is how would you describe your sound to someone who's never heard it before?
Yan, that's a good question.
Guro masakiton mo na nga. Ay,
what?
Kung ito bagang first time makadangog ng sound. Mo. Sasabihin mo lang. Itong si Mac, ang sounds ko yan, itong slow and reverb, parang walang yan ang
Nag-uso yan sa
sa TikTok.
Ano bang pwede mong i-compare
Yan.
sa music mo,
siguro
sa style ng music mo?
May ako maisip. Pero sabi na Orange and Lemons, tapos Arctic Monkeys
Sa bagay talaga.
Oh, di ba? Like,
Heavily
Sir, bistado mo ni si Mac, anong tanog ka yan? Like, anong sasabihin mo sa kuya?
Yun din ang sasabihin ko probably.
Orange and lemons.
Mm.
If nadong mo ng
Being
orange
with,
and lemons.
I grew up with Mac eh.
Mhm.
Paano pag ano? Slow then reverb.
Slow and reverb. Hindi, ito kumbaga, igwaning mainstream na artist na pwedeng maging reference, kantanog mo, di ba? Like, ano yan si Mac, ang style kayan, garo yan, if nadog mo na si Unique, garo combination ni Unique sa Longga na may pagka-orange and lemons, just to give them a reference of how you actually sound like.
Ay, sige, iyo sa bagay.
Pero ka,
Yan ang pwede mong ma-describe sa music mo ba?
Ayo.
That's what we would describe your music.
Oo.
Pero
Di ko kayo aram ng ano talaga eh. Nakadepende yan sa tao eh. Sinda kayo
sa
makadiscover.
bagay, listeners din
Pag inano kaya, siyempre sasabihin ko, ang tanong ko, tanog Mac. Yeah.
Yeah. Pero if there are people saying na, uy, Mac, you actually sound like Unique, would you, personally agree to them? Like, uy, talaga, that's my influence. Something like that.
Siguro, mapa-flatter, arke yan.
Yeah.
Siyempre po, idol ko ba yan?
Time welcome yung mga artist sa partido, mga baguhan. Uy, katanog mo si Kuya Mac.
Yeah! Sirawad grade sa ano.
Ang style mo garo tong si tong sikat na artist din na nasa indie si Kuya Mac. Ano kaya ng sound mo? Yeah.
that's not impossible.
Siyempre. Si Mac sa
A
mga
few years from now.
yes, one of the most
Sana.
prolific artists sa partido. Dakol-dakol nire-release na stuff. So yan. So if mahilig ka mo sa vibe kang Orange and Lemons or Unique sa Longga, better check out Mac's music because it's probably somewhere in the veins of those bands.
So yun ang ni Mac. Ang to follow up that question, Mac, how about your songwriting process?
Yan.
Okay.
Since yun na yung pattern sa style mo, how would you describe your creative process kung paano ka nag-write ng songs mo?
I think, susurat ko yan out of the blue. Garo,
Anong mood mo or state of mind mo ba would work best when you're doing your songs? Making your songs, I mean.
siguro ning Dahil ko aram.
Kasi most artists pala most artists is they are more creative when they're going through something, di ba? When they're sad, fresh from breakup, may gusto ka tapos di ka gusto.
Okay.
Oo.
Siguro
How about your music?
may lang siguro itong may strong emotions na strong emotion na maabot sa imo. Either happy ka, sad ka, anggut ka sa gobyerno or sa
Oy, di ba?
anggut ka sa anggut ka sa jowa mo or kaya or ka basta itong may maglaog ng emotion sa imo tas garo pag kayan uy gusto ta akong sunto ko na or kaya pero dai man basta itong emotions lang talaga pag may emotion dawa anong emotion na
You just take advantage na lang,
iyo i-take advantage
Kasi
yun
din siya form of self-expression din.
tapos pag may naglaog sa utak nindong surat na lang talaga nindo si tapos pag gibo ka mo melody try nindong ilapat si nasurat nindo yun na to iya to songwriting process ko
Like
Nice.
question lang din about songwriting process because this is a normal occurrence din sa mga sa mga writers or any kind of artist na igwa. Like sa music kaya, how do you overcome artist block?
garo mental block as an artist.
As in you can't
May
write
times
anything.
talaga na mangyayari yan.
Diba you can't write anything, you can't draw anything, you can't paint anything.
Or you can't you've started it tapos you
Yan.
were not able to finish it kasi may kulang siyang
Oo.
part.
May araw kayo na
Nangyayari yan eh.
nag-start ka na and then biglang okay halat.
Kaya may tendency i-repeat mo yung yung part.
Oo.
'Di ba? May,
So, minsan-
may ibang songs na ganyan eh.
Ayo. Actually, ang ining tig-release kong album actually, tig-release ko lang to out of impulse. Garo de ko pa man talaga siya Garo sabi, ay okay na ni. Tapos kang nadangog ko siya. Ay garo may kulang pa kani. O at least yaon na duman sa for the world to see, to hear. i-ano ko na lang, i-redux
Yan.
si mga kanta.
Like, okay, gusto mong madawg na kanta ko garo demo mo kayo ni. And if nag-change man ang mind ko, you can always do a redux of the of that same song. It's
Every
a good
artist,
idea.
gabos man garong artist, nagigibo ka yan.
Kami din.
Pero pag itong mga magayon na talaga siya, ano man nung tapagpalitan pa, garo masterpiece na.
Minsan kay igwa ka din masurat na garo, it's okay na siya as
even
is.
with big artists and bands, ginigibo nila yun, like Linkin Park.
Mhm.
I'm not very familiar kasi sa indies.
Mhm.
Pero yan, like Linkin Park, may mga multiple albums in with the same songs. Minsan iba yung lyrics.
Iyo.
Different version lang.
Nirelease nila yung yung mga unreleased na dating names ng song, iba pa. Pero parang lang, just to see how it was back then.
Itong aning baga, Taylor Swift, itong Snow on the Beach ata title ka to.
Oo.
Featuring Lana Del Rey. Tapos sige release nila to with more Lana Del Rey. Garo
Okay.
Hay man nga digi si Lana Del Rey sa
That's one perfect example.
So yun ito ang
diba?
example ko.
Like, even Taylor Swift, di ba, as an artist, si mga init niyang albums, inurulit niya.
Tama.
Even though people has already heard it before.
Kaya
and
may 'di ba yung 10 minutes
yan,
version.
10-minute version ng anong kanta yun, sir?
All too well.
All Too
Yeah,
Well.
All Too Well.
So if you're an artist, you can always change that if ever you think something's lacking. But
Ayun.
that's kind of hard to pull off, a 10-minute version of a song.
Ay,
So-
kung ako gusto ko patikim naman,
Yan.
10 minutes
10 minutes.
version.
Mahabang solo.
Magandang guitar solo.
Like, the whole 5 minutes is just dedicated to the guitar solo.
Oh,
Mukhang pagalo na gurin si Mac nagigitara. Guys, tama na.
Karal
please.
yun. Kaya nagpupundo si
Dudugo
Sir
na,
Ronald mag-drums.
Ay, nako. So, yan. Another question for you. Like, are there certain themes or stories you always find yourself coming back to? Siguro, ano itong theme? Kasi di ba usually, nag-ulit-ulit ang theme ta. When you write, like, not to make this about me. But ako, I always capitalize, when I'm writing a song, I always capitalize on heartbreak. There are a lot of songs I've written because of heartbreak, di ba? Ano tong situation kan life mo, or story kan life mo nagaro, pili mo siyang nakukuha na ning topic for a song.
They could arm guy. Garo same lang. Ano ba yun?
Sige.
Mahirap yan. Basta pag malungkot ka lang, maisip mo heartbreak na.
Mhm.
Daw si Sayman, garo madali lang kayang madali lang para sa ako, madali lang isurat ang ang heartbreak.
Mhm.
sa bagay, yan ang
Iyon man yan na pinaka powerful emotion pag
Agree.
daw ang daw okay ka na. You can always write a heartbreak song.
Kumbaga, you can always
Na
come back.
things you've been going
they ka emotionally attached sa sa
Mhm.
kanta. So yung lang yan. Heartbreak siguro daw ugma ka ka yan. Pero di man ibig sabihin
Still hung up ka pa naman sa tao.
silang
doesn't mean you're
Ginagatasan
still lingering
lang.
dun sa you just make it tama.
Ginagatasan
You're
lang.
just going to make the most out of it.
Kumbaga, you're making something good out of something that is actually terrible na nangyari sa
Oo.
Ayo.
But it doesn't actually always mean nagaro. Okay, I'm still in love with that person. That's why I'm writing a song. Kumbaga,
Nasiraman sinda arga yan.
gets tama niya, di ba? Di ba kasi nagsusurat ka din minsan.
Yes, I write poems din. Freestyle.
But it actually doesn't mean na when you write something na na heartbreak, okay, I'm still not over this person.
Di naman. Most of the time you just take advantage na sadness. Suddenly.
Okay,
Why not write?
exactly.
Na-reminisce ko tong what I've been through. Sayang eh.
To the
Ayun.
listeners and to the listeners or readers kasi sometimes when we release a piece, like say for example a poem or a music that is all about heartbreak, people are also quick to judge na okay, ano pa ni broken pa ni
Tama.
pa ni nakaka-move on. But in fact sometimes you just have to capitalize on that. You need to come up with
Sayang
something,
din.
di ba?
Saya paano pala kung na-heartbreak ka lang, nagdalan ka ning Batang Quiapo Argyle.
Even with happy,
Ayo.
oh, what if you posted something na you made a poem na about a happy couple. Sasabihin, ay wala naman girlfriend si
Arke yan. You may write a song for your friend. The situation of your friend.
Stories itself.
Ayo.
You can make up stories.
Like, it doesn't always have to be something na nangyayari in the real world.
Mm-mm.
Fictional. And just my opinion. Because sometimes, especially naman adventures na maraan life tabaga, di ba?
Oh.
Ayo.
Like, for example, like me, I'm always lasa harong lang. Pero, makamap ka ning shit.
Dapat na maisip ka.
Fabulous. Halimbawa sa Italy pero sa Tagungtong lang pala. Para Arke.
I wrote this song like years ago, like driving in my car. I don't even have a car.
Ayo.
Oh.
I don't have a car. I don't even know how to drive a car. But I wrote something like that because you're also like you're making a story. Kumbaga, diba?
Garo based on a true story. Garo
May
Arke.
abot ako sa TF na para sa gusto kaya ang patikim naman, di ba?
Oo.
Kanta ni Mac yung patikim naman. Halit na ni mismo sa iyo. Like, ano ang ibig sabihin ng kanta na yan?
Ano nga ba talaga, Mac? It's
Ano?
my favorite song talaga ni Mac.
It's catchy, it's groovy, but what does it actually mean?
Okay. Patikim naman. Basically, garo ang kaya dyan, ang inspiration ko kang song na yan is yung sinabi ni mama na pag magsisimba baga, halaton panindo ang Diyos ngaya.
Okay, that makes
So,
Oh,
hihintayin nyo pa ba
kaya
ang Diyos
pala.
na pumunta dito sa para Ayun,
That sounds like something Tita Michelle would say.
So, hinihintay mo ba ang Diyos o ang Diyos ang naghihintay sa'yo?
Yan pala yung first line ng song eh. Sabi ko,
Oo.
paano pa may related sa Diyos? Tapos ang sabi niya, patikim naman. Ano daw ang inspiration ganun? It makes me wonder.
Saka na nakatakam talaga. Lalo na yung cover ng album.
Cover art. Steak.
May steak na ginigrill.
Pero di ba na-release mo yan?
Actually impulse din na release. Nawara dati kay si Spotify ko and gambumok na as
Oh, yan ang nahihirapan kaming hanapin yung song na yun ni Mac. Sabi ko yan ang pinaka-love kong song ni Mac.
tapos in-upload ko siya sa isang Spotify account. Yun na yung Max San Jose. Yun lang yung kanta doon, patikim na. Tapos bumalik
separated lang siya.
Naka-separate lang siya.
Separate. Yan lang talaga
Impulse
ang song.
yun.
May separate, duwa ang artist account.
Mm.
Sarong,
Tapos sabi ko, nahanap ko na yung sa Max San Jose.
pero na different artist, Max ano siya.
Oo.
Pa siya, diba? Like,
Mm.
sila.
Mahirap talagang hanapin yung pangalan ko sa Spotify.
Hated na artist.
Kaya alam na Mac, re-release.
Release din si Max.
Sabi mo na kamong please.
Tayo kay Max.
Patikim naman Mac.
Kimin mo naman kami Max ano siya.
So yun na to. Ano man lang, garo ang essence lang patikim naman ng garo siya itong yun na, patikim naman talaga. Si Glory, si Fame, si
Wala ba yan Mac?
dawa anong gusto
Wala
mong
ba yan?
tikman, wag lang laman.
Wala naman siyang sexual.
Hindi siya sexual
It can be easily linked sa sexual undertones.
Depende kung gibon thirstrap.
Mm-mm.
When you hear it, sobrang
Oh.
groovy niya pa. Like, it's a sex song.
It's basically a sex song.
Kaya natanong namin because parang para sa amin as a listener, may sexual undertones talaga siya.
Sa bagay,
Who would have thought, diba? Pero yan ang mag-iin sa songs because we're free to interpret it
Tama.
we want.
kaya pag itong hapoton ka, ano nga yung ibig sabihin ka nga to? Makanuson man, hanapon mo.
Ikaw, diba?
No comment. Pero,
Parang sa nag-iisip.
Yung Kakatakam-takam. You can easily, even a music video, a possible music video, di ba? Oo, di ba? It's okay.
Ginibong thirst trap ano.
Yan.
Patikim na.
Malay mo mag-ano yan sa sa TikTok.
Mag-blow up sa TikTok. Sikat ka na kayo na.
Baka siya yung sex song.
At least clarified na, guys.
Clarify na sa Minor Inconvenience Podcast that Kim naman is not a
It's not
Sex song.
about it's not about sex or sexualizing someone.
but you can play it while having it.
But you can do it.
I'd be flattered.
Uy mo. Ano na lang yan, off cam. So, to follow up, next question na tayo. How do you stay inspired, Mac, when things get tough creatively?
Magano ka, sound trip ka. Tapos, since ako, nag-mimix ako kang kanta ko, madawag ang mga dinadaw ko si Mix Ninda, tapos si musicality ba, mga riffs, mga
So
ginagamit
bagay, when
nilang-
you're producing, kunwari with Mavi, shout out to Mavs pala.
shoutout kay Mavi.
When you're producing songs for Mavi, syempre, may
Actually, siya
kayo
nag-ibo ka
may
to eh.
itch ka din yan Syempre.
Oo.
When you're, when you're helping produce a song for someone, syempre may certain itch ka na, ay, gusto ko man. Kasi you will see how hype he is na release ng song.
Patikim naman, harga yan.
Like what you mentioned before, like it's like a peer pressure because you hear the song
Oh.
of your friends and then maganda to, kaya ka din gumawa, like
Kaya nga it's good, you're, Mukna Collective, being around, different artists.
I mean it's not competition naman, di ba? But
Mm.
to stay inspired.
You're supporting
Yes.
each other Yan ang naugma ako with your your community.
Yes. And it actually very helpful because since we have a community and we're learning every day, especially when it comes to recording, di ba? Before, wala kaming alam nila Mac about recording, like totally zero. I mean, the closest thing we can get from recording is BandLab.
Banlab.
See?
Garage band.
And now, sobrang tibay na ni Mac Militon
Sakto
Records.
lang.
Shout out
Sa
Militon
Si
Records.
Mac ang nagpo-produce or nag-mix and master mostly kang music ni Mavi.
Ayan.
Yeah. So yun, check it out.
Kaya yan, si Mac lab na lab yan ni Mavi.
Yes.
Pero mas idol niya si Sir Marl.
Yes.
Humble lang to ni Mac.
Iyo.
Mac, if you're listening,
My idol.
wala mo na akong Mac. Pero check it out, Militon Records. As in, I'm really proud of that project ni Mac because I met Mac during a time na pares lang kami ng like makaming aram sa recording. Di ba? Like, okay pa nun Ang pinakamatibay sa mag-record si Japo.
Si Japo.
Kali 4.
Calle 4 Records, the best.
Sobrang tibay niya. And then, alam niyo kay si Japo, busy man din siya with his stuff.
Ah.
And actually just call him na, okay, Japo, pwede pa record. And then si Mac, kayang-kaya na Mac din mo yan. So, nagdadakol na din ang mga artists and then at the same time, mga producers na din.
Ayo.
So, makinig siya. So, if mapa-record ka mo, just sabi lang ka mo kay Mac. Ano Mac? PM na lang yun do.
Dyan ba, when it comes to add up ko lang, any kind of artist ba, Mac, would you be willing to produce for them?
Iyo.
Baka ba ning bias?
Makamaning wala ka bang bias na this is not the kind na na gusto mong style?
Yeah.
Any genre man. Daw yan, rap Pero Day ko sure kung kaya kong ma-produce yung top notch na Like siyang kung
Sa
kung
bagay,
sa
kung
hip
iba
hop
man
ka
sa
mo
style niya
sa Calle 4 Records ka mo mas sinda may bihasa sa mga rap na
Sa bagay yan din ang basic ang forte din nila.
Pag hip-hop territory,
Mm,
like,
much
Ayun.
better.
hindi yan
Acoustic bedroom pop lang. Di man kaya ako matibay na ano, tong
Yeah, bedroom pop sa
bedroom
bedroom
ano lang.
podcast.
bedroom popcast. Tama.
Play patikim naman on your bedroom.
Tama.
Dakol kitang naaraman ngayon dito sa podcast na we actually now know that Patikim naman is not actually a sex song.
Kaya nga it's better when we highly recommend, we welcome you na join. Just PM us kasi we would like to hear from you. Not just songwriters, even painters,
Like what you mentioned before.
people with grievances. May reklamo ka about your ex. You don't have to name them o ano.
Pero syempre maaaram niyo kung si Sai.
Oo.
Kumbaga, take this as a way of your therapy. Something like that. Check.
You can always you can always hear them kung anong ganaps.
Okay po. Medyo, may lang kita.
May konting lang.
Technical difficulties.
Just a minor inconvenience.
Pero yan ang at its rawest
Speaking
form.
of, na tuloy ako.
Kinabahan ka.
Should I check the
Okay lang guys. Okay pa naman. Okay na, Mac. Still recording. Okay. See, what you're seeing right now is...
See?
di ba? Kami-kami lang din.
Ito ang pinaka-raw na
Yes.
podcast.
Even the technical difficulties, nahihiling nindo. So yan, okay ka pa dyan, Mac? Are you still good? Hang on. Yan. So, another question. Okay ka pa, Mac? Di ka pa man buryong-buryo sa mga hapon.
Sound. Okay pa man.
Okay. So here's another question for you. So can you tell us about your latest project, single or album, and what's the story behind it? Are you currently working on something?
Siguro. Actually ma-release akong Dagdudua-dua ako kung ma-release akong duwang EP this year.
Duwang EP agad.
Paginigusan. May recent release ako itong Dang.
Yes.
A song about a friend that was lost, nawara.
I mean, wait. Is it okay if I ask na lost, like, is this like, what do you mean by lost?
Lost
Mana siya sa
connection?
May na siya sa
Oh.
Oh, she passed away?
Oo.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Tas yun na to. Iba best friend ko kasi kang elemental.
Mm-hmm.
Tas yun na to. Which is ang nickname niya is Dang.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya yun to sa title. Parang deng imbis na na Dang. Deng garo God dang it. Garar
Okay.
kaya.
Oh, diba? It doesn't, when you write a song, it doesn't always have to be, diba? You can write something for your friend, diba? So that's
It
one
doesn't
thing.
have to be always about relationships.
Yes.
That's a relationship din pala.
Really, pero siya, kumbaga, platonic.
Oo.
Oo.
And like, it doesn't always have to be something romantic, I think, like, when you write a song. Although, let's be honest, people can easily relate to songs, especially if it's all about romantic love.
Yes.
Even in poems, diba? When a poem is something about something that's romantic, people can easily
Ano yun eh? Yan ang most clickbait na genre.
May
Love
nagsabi-
and heartbreak.
May nagsabi ka pag puro ngaya ang kanta all about love, pero kumbaga mababaw da siya. Although, I don't know if that's true. That's just an opinion of some people that I read sa Facebook. When you write songs ngayon na all about love lang.
Na-experience yun din ba yan during I have a similar experience kasi when I write something na paragraphs or poems,
Mhm.
mas madaming reactions pag it's about heartbreak.
Exactly.
Totoo talaga.
Totoo, that's true.
Totoo yan.
Rather than when you're happily in a relationship or you're happy with your life.
Kasi bago ka ng single.
Ay, sa bagay.
Siguro
May sumpa yan eh.
I think it's one of the most common emotion na namamatian kang tao because gabos magkaroon nagpapadangat and at some point of their life
Eyo.
they actually experience heartbreak. And I don't know talagang ang tawa ta, may pagkamasokista. Gusto nyo daw ito nakakabasa sandaling something na, paarog ba kaya nag
Ay.
Dati hate ko yan when I was in a relationship. 2 years ago na sabi ko, ano man na ni yung mga masyado silang bitter.
Diba?
Tapos never would I have ever thought na I would be at the other end na
You'll be at the receiving end of that.
when I see someone na except kila Mac, syempre. I'm very happy for Mac.
Yes.
Minsan garo annoying.
Sana takot na ako mag-girlfriend.
Shoutout
Baka
kay Rai.
pag nagka-girlfriend ako, itakwil na akong barkada ni Sir TF.
I will never forget
Kasi
this
usually
minor
kami-
inconvenience.
Me and Sir TF actually bonded over things like that. Diyan
Me and Sir Marl, dyan kami nag-bond over. sa
Trauma band.
ang friendship yung nag-start dyan. And hindi ko pwede natin sabihin. Later, off-cam. Pero we bonded over that stuff. Yan. Do we have some questions pa, sir?
Next question for Mac is, what has been your proudest moment so far bilang an indie artist
Yeah.
or an artist?
Siguro
milestone mo?
Anong milestone mo ba?
pinaka-milestone na bago ko man siya itong sa diring milestone ni Kang Mukna. Sinakatugtog kami sa nga ning pangarang katom sa Sari-Sari.
Yan. Sorry.
Nagtugtog kami sa
When was that ba?
November 2023.
Diyan pa kita kaya magkapisto.
Hindi pa kaya
Ay.
kabistado kayan. Na-invite kami kang Uragon Night na
Yes.
magtugtog duman.
Thank
As
you.
Mukna Collective. Thank you, Uragon Night family.
Mhm.
Yeah, Uragon Night family.
So far, yun ang pinaka...
So
Proudest
far.
moment.
Pero sa sa pansadiri ko is na self-produce ang sa ko yung mga songs.
Yeah.
Like mix and master. Pero di pa man ako itong matibay, pero I'm proud of it.
Yes.
Ano?
Dapat.
Nakaka-proud naman talaga kasi when you do it on your own. Pero syempre, it's best when you have someone.
Yes, may nagatabang sa inyo. Pero may
being
sense
with
of
friends. Pero may sense of pride yan na
Yes.
I did this without any help.
I did it for the rock.
Kumbaga, I learned all this stuff by myself.
Mm.
It's actually like an accomplishment. Kumbaga, because sometimes naman kita gabos may may
Oh, not all of us have ako I'm happy to be around friends, family, Mac being my own blood, Sir Marl, good friends whom I just met around last year.
Yes, around last year lang.
Last year.
Pero we've been good friends since.
Yes.
Pero may talaga, may ibang feeling na pag when you do things on your own.
Yes. Rewarding, kumbaga.
Rewarding
I did this
talaga.
all by myself. And then
Na
although
kaya ko naman pala.
Exactly. And actually, because you're doing things on your own, nag-i-improve ka because you keep on finding
Ayo.
ways on how to better your recording.
YouTube University.
Yes. Because
TikTok University.
when you, di ba, in any kind of art, when you're just starting to do it, you're not actually that good, di ba? Baka
Totoo.
sobrang tibay agad.
Tama.
So talagang you just have to keep doing it para mag-improve ka, di ba? Even as a writer or a painter.
Oh, I didn't even know na na I can still write, I can still draw. Pero being around people, creatives na okay ka man pala sir
Sarap sa
Kaya
feeling.
mo man pala eh. May talaga self-accomplishment na
Yeah.
Yan,
very fulfilling.
Ako personally din, like when I started writing, it's not the best recording that I can do during that time because also limited lang din ang resources ko. Pero itong na-release ko siya, like daw makanuso, daw mation, pero happy ako.
Dakol
Oo,
pati
kasi
nga,
the feeling of starting something and
Yes.
actually
Yes.
finishing it,
Yan.
kahit na rough around the edges pa, as long as may ka, grabe.
All you have to do is just
self-fulfilling.
start, di ba? Kaya pa mo na
Mm.
mag-start talaga actually.
Like this podcast.
Yes. Kung di kami nag-start, siguro din.
Back then, this was just kwentong
podcast
tambay
ito.
lang.
Tambay. Tapos usually ginigimo mo lang sa Facebook Live. Nag-uuro
Yeah.
na kami sa Facebook Live. May yung proper recording. As in, like your usual Facebook Live with friends and that's it. Pero you really just have to start. maski aramdong det maka mo sobrang ready. Just like this one, may mga nangyayari pang
See,
technical
may
difficulties.
ano pa kami. On
Nawala
the
si
spot.
Mike Subago ni Sir Marl.
Nawara?
Ayun.
It's okay.
And hindi din namin yun aalisin.
Raw. At its rawest
Raw,
form.
pero ano lang. Lazy lang.
Konting abala lang.
Yes. So yeah,
It's just an inconvenience.
it's just the way it is. Ano pa? Do we still have questions?
So may question pa, Mac, is what's one thing you wish more people understood about being a musician or an indie artist today?
Yeah.
Bako kayong mayaman. Dahil joke lang.
That's true actually.
Ayan,
Sa bagay, may assumption na yan always. Being
Parang
an
ano,
artist, given na yan.
ayan si pinaka ano kaya, kalagaro sa ano, mga mayaman yan. Nag-iindi nga niya. Syempre, siguro mayaman na yung mga ano na yan. Kaya po ang tamang giraray suporta, mag-stream nindo mga kanta ninda, gamitin nindo sa mga Facebook stories nindo, sa Reels.
Oh,
Kapag ganun,
that's a big
binabayadan
help.
yan.
Yes.
Binabayadan yan. Tapos, kung may dikit man lang kamong kwarta, baka nindo si mga kanta ninda sa iTunes, sa Amazon ba? Di ko aram. Basta yun na to. Tapos, ang pinaka-importante dyan, magduman ka mo sa gig.
Yes.
Yes.
Actually.
Kasi, iyan ang pinakadakulang suporta na makukuha kang sarong indie artist sa ano. Dawa pa ning maaday ka mag-tip or ano. Pero kung may pang-tip ka, mag-tip ka.
Yes.
Ah,
Any amount is
It's
welcome.
not yan,
Just show around sa sa mga gigs. Tapos buy their merch, Arke.
Yan, if may merch, may stickers,
stickers,
may CD, if may
CDs.
shirts.
Si Sir Marl, may cassette tape,
Yes, pero sobrang limited lang po because
May
titikman
vinyl.
lang din ng fan
may
base
vinyl
ko.
record. Yan ang most proudest moment
If you were
ko.
to ask me kung anong
Being a
proud
fan ng band ni Sir Marley. Anesthesia.
Please
Shout
buy
out to
our-
Anesthesia.
buy our stuff because nakol pa.
Please
We're actually
lang.
having problems.
Sadly, wala akong sampo.
It's okay guys. Pag debut na kasi ba, tatao ko sa Indo. Sa Indo na yan. But anyway, and speaking about being an independent artist, pinaka-common misconception, pag nasa banda ka, may kwarta.
Ayo.
It's not always like that. That's why we actually need our day jobs to support our passion as an
Yeah.
indie artist. Something like that. But, I mean, I'll take this time to clarify din kasi different yan ibang show band.
Ayo.
Iba din kaming mga bako man sa pag-creating division just to give you an idea because we're actually a different set of musicians din naman. Like kami when we play our original music and we're hoping na magustuhan din kan listeners. That's why sometimes when people nag-request Jopay okay pa nag-request daw anong kanta na sikat. Dahil man tulo sa tutugtog agad.
Ayo demi man yan
Because it's not we don't actually consider it as our job na magpara sa refrain ng kanta. Nothing wrong
What
with
if hindi nyo alam yung song?
Exactly.
Di ba?
I'm sorry na lang po.
Okay,
Iba yung style.
Mm-mm.
So yan, sabagay, most of the time talaga nangyari.
Exactly. And I can't blame people man din if they're actually thinking na, okay, I mean, may artist, request kita ng kanta. Maray na lang kung medyo common ng kanta. Kaya.
Okay.
Diba? So, yan. I mean, pwedeng magkakwarta. There's actually money in the music industry. But it's really hard to get into the mainstream.
Totoo.
Diba? Especially, ang type na music na ginigibo mo nila, Mac, medyo nasa independent kami na vibe eh.
Oo.
Kumbaga, if it hits mainstream, then good. Pero masakit kaya siya. It's not easy para
Mostly
ano
magiging
kasi
kang
siya?
magiging kang i-market mo yung sarili mo.
exactly.
Magiging ka ng social media influencer, tapos gagamit ka ng paid ads para makita lang yung mo.
Mhm.
That's
Magagastos ka talaga kung gusto mo magpunta sa
Saka
mainstream.
may certain style talaga ang mainstream music. I've said this to Sir Marl back then na sabi ko yung music nila as indie artists it's an acquired taste
Yes.
na hindi talaga lahat probably hindi lahat magugustuhan
Mhm.
yun. may certain styles lang ang mainstream eh.
And actually took that as a compliment when you said na we're an acquired taste.
Mm.
I don't take it as something na, so you're saying hindi maganda ang music.
Ah.
It's actually a compliment. Okay.
I
Ayun.
didn't mean that
Yan ang
in that
charm
way.
niya eh. Pero okay,
Kasi
first
nga
listen.
kaya mas open kayo for gatekeeping.
Ayun.
Ang mga
Mga
music
gatekeep.
nindo,
That
ano
was
yan?
actually a compliment.
Open for gatekeeping
Yes,
yan.
to say that,
Ay!
that your music's an acquired taste, it means like you really have to take a few listens before you actually get the hang of the song.
Very rare.
Rare. Kaya thank you, sir. That's a compliment. So mga acquired taste. Pero iba pag mainstream. There are some songs that when you hear it first, aram mo na, okay, pang mainstream ining kanta.
Ay, oo.
Diba? Catchy,
Tinuod.
relatable. Yan, it's the perfect recipe for a song to hit mainstream.
Probably, danceable,
Yes.
pwedeng gawan ng, couple TikToks.
Exactly. That's what
Tama.
Kaya yung patikim naman, we'll make, a TikTok about that.
Patikim naman. Anyway, this is our last question for you, Mac. So, are there any collaborations you dream of or are currently working on?
Collaborations.
Gusto mo ba, do you have any aspirations to collab with someone?
Yes.
Someone
gusto
you
ko
know or someone na idol mo?
Mm-hmm.
Ang gusto ko makakolab si Sir Marl. Si-
Aba.
Collab na kita.
Si Erica May.
Yan.
Mm.
Si
Shout out to Erks.
Yes, Erks.
Daw si ng mga local artists digi sa sa buong Bicol or sa Manila or sa
Mhm.
Pwede man kita pwede naman tayo mag-collab. Dali mo lang akong kaulay.
Oh, if you think your style would match with Mac,
Mhm.
Ayo.
ay, madali lang to si Mac kausap.
Yes, exactly.
Sabi lang ka mong
Chill
please, Charis.
lang. So yun, Mac, like, may dream ka ba mag-collaborate? Like, isang paborito mong artist ata, pwedeng international or local, na garo, pangarap mong makakollab?
Sa Siba.
Collab ka mo ni Unique.
Ayo, pwede ba?
Yeah.
Kiriligaw ka na. Idolong ko talaga yan si Unique.
Kasi mali mo mag-blow up in yung podcast na mahiling niya, di ba? Chat ka.
Pasabi yan.
Mm.
Sika man.
Mac,
Sabi siya, sino?
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 Sino mo, pwede ba tayo mag-collab?
Sino?
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 How about international? Like, isa yung pangarap mong collaboration.
Si Alex Turner.
Ah.
Arctic Monkeys. Idolong ko to.
The kind of fool's gonna
Sit and sing to you.
Arctic Monkeys. So yan ang yan ang mga dream collaborations.
Ayo.
Pero so far, ikaw ka na bang mga dream collaboration na itong nagibo mo na? Like finally na-check ko na sa bucket list ko.
May pa man akong ganong si Sir Marl. Si Party Dude.
Yan, Party Dude. Abanganin do.
Abanganin do.
Workout kaming single, majaloy na.
May music video na
Yes.
actually. Polish
Then
na lang.
officially released. Pero it's going to be
So,
released.
may something na naman tayo to look forward to.
Yeah.
Abanganin do.
Taon na atang tirnabaho ta duman, di ba? Naglampas na
Ayun,
sa taon.
pa to? Last year siguro.
Yes, we've been working on it for quite a while naman din. Pero medyo may data pa na figure out ang ibang bagay-bagay. Pero
Ayun.
hopefully, we'll get there. So yan.
So, may nakalimutan tayo
Ano?
Yung magtutugtog si Mac.
Okay!
Ay, matugtog pa ako.
So abangan nyo may performance niya
Yes.
si Mac.
We'll just cut it in.
Oo.
Ang weird na sinasabi, no?
Oo. Pero, mapanood nyo yan dito. Magpa-perform si Mac for you guys. And,
Sabi mo na
Anong
please.
song ba, Mac, ang iano mo?
Siyempre, patikim naman.
Wow!
Yan!
Pinagbigyan tayo ni Mac.
Yan talaga.
Patikim naman.
Again, this is not a sex song. But if
Again.
you want to make it that, then may problema, di ba? Eh Mac, before you start performing, do you want to plug something?
I-like din daw ang Minor Inconvenience Podcast.
Yeah.
Tapos, Mukta
Your
Collective.
Mukta Collective.
Facebook page ko, Mac, as in MC McDonald's.
Tukdan mo sila, tapos masakit hanapon
MC,
Oo.
itong baga? MC. In short for Mac.
Mhm.
Tapos, Mac
Instagram mo, Mac.
Yeah, socials mo.
Socials mo. Plug your socials.
Mac San Jose without vowels .mc. Ayan eh,
J.
mcsjs.mc. Ayan yung Instagram ko. Tapos, TikTok ko ata.
Dito na yan na-appear, oh.
Yes, sige.
Yeah!
San, San Jose Mac
Tapos
Gregor
di man
ata.
inedit.
Di man inedit ano. Parang ganyan.
Yeah!
Tapos sa Spotify Mac. Ang search yun daw, Daang Tinahak Mac.
Mac. Okay. Because may trouble
MC
finding
as
the
an
name.
MC. Yaw niya nigyo.
Sige, ma-appear. Sa'yo ba?
Sen
Sige,
ma'am.
sige,
Tapos
sige.
naadigdi.
Sala si ano.
Pala ay. Uy, may nalingawan ka. Militon Records.
Ah, yun,
Yes,
Militon
Militon
Records.
Records pa.
Militon Studio ba? Ayun, Militon Studio. Ang spelling niya, MILITONE Studios.
Bigyan ma-appear.
Digdi.
And to Community Records.
O, community
Yes.
recording.
Community recording. Thank you so much.
Community recording.
Community Recording.
Harani naman, di ba? It's
Ay,
almost-
haray.
Community Recording and yung socials kasi ng we're still working
Yes.
it all out. Yung last kasi namin na Spotify is under Comunidad Podcast
Yes.
pa. So ayusin pa po
So, we'll
namin
ask
yan.
Kenneth to work on that because siya nakakaaram. How
So
things
as
work.
of now, yung page po namin sa Facebook, paki-follow po, paki-share yung video if you
Yes.
are able, if gusto nyo,
Yes.
any help counts.
Ako lang
Thank
tatang
you.
ang shares ninyo.
And here's Mac
Here's
performing.
Patikim
Patikim
naman.
naman.
Alright.
Woo! Thank you. Alright.
Hinihintay ka ba ng Diyos? O ang Diyos ang naghihintay sa'yo upang magtumpa ng lahat ng hiling mo at lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Inaasam-asam, pero bakit hindi ko matikman ang putaing katakam-takam? Busog hanggang kinabukasan. Oh, amo ko, o tikim naman. Hinihintay ko ba na ikaw ay mabigyan? O ikaw ang mabibigay sa kanila? O sana'y aking maintindihan kung ano ang aking kailangan. Inaasam-asam, pero bakit hindi ko matikman ang putaing katakam-takam? Busog hanggang kinabukasan. Oh, amo ko, patikim naman. Patikim